Oh my God, this is embarrassing. I look like a black superhero. Move over, Moon Knight. Batman who? Hold up, yo, like for real though, like what is going on here? Let me let me take this shit off. Let me take this thing off, man. Well, here we go. We have a little bit of sightseeing for you. Give me a minute. Let me readjust my focus and what have you. Still got some fried shrimp, man. I wonder what I'm going to eat when I go traveling. Like, am I still going to go sit down? Am I going to start sitting down at restaurants and just having dinner? Or am I going to start eating like dollar slices of pizza? Am I going to be eating like a bunch of bananas? Or like, I don't know. I'll be watching like those hiking, those people that, you know, like those doomsday preppers type people, those people that like to go hiking out on YouTube. It's a bigger industry than you think it is, man. These people be having millions of subscribers. Because people like to do that sort of thing, man. Especially after COVID, man, we get the heck up out the house. How you think most of these people got mental illness, man? Mentally and emotionally scarred. Child abuse and domestic violence spiked in the last 3 years. I gotta teach you something about the human design. Yup. I don't even know how I'm across the street. Like a boss. Like a boss. The DoubleTree. What else we got? We got a lot. Man, I remember, so the girl that I actually dated that had the same birthday as me in high school, and mind you, this is like an 18-year-old story. Yeah. This is where we met up at for our first date. This 7-Eleven here. Where is that bus stop at that we sat at? I don't even remember. So long ago. My, how some things hold an imprinted memory, right? Yeah, she was a Libra. Same birthday as me. The one girl I dated in high school, she was Latin. She was Spanish. Her father was black though. But you look at her, you can tell she was completely Spanish. Like I visit her family all the time, and they were a bunch of, yeah, they were cool though. What do we got? We got buildings. I see you. Somebody's up there having rooftop brunch, huh? Yeah, this is me, man. I don't even know what today is. What is it? Thursday? Wednesday or Thursday? It's a boat. Ah, damn. Damn, Gina. The damn boat's about to come. We get higher and higher. Yeah, the light's turning red. Yeah, the drawbridge. Oh my God, I hope this boat doesn't drive so damn slow. Is that them? That small ass boat? I don't think that's them. Oh gosh. Yeah, everybody's finna be mad. Everybody's about to be mad for the next 5 minutes. Got some ham and eggers down there, right? Huh. We got action. Let's see what's going to happen here. I definitely don't want to sit and wait here forever. Good Lord. Oh, damn it. Damn you. I'm going to be here forever. Look at the Hollandale Beach blimp. Or the little water thing. Yes, sir. Come on, what are y'all doing? This better be the biggest boat ever seen. Oh, there it goes. Oh my God, this is like worse than a train. Let me zoom out. Yeah, man. accidentally dropped my cell phone all the way down there. Think I'll go down there and try to find it? Probably not. Yeah. Must be nice, man. They get to come out here on their nice balconies and porches, right? Sit at their fancy tables with their fancy chairs, smoke their fancy cigars. People love living out on the beach, don't they? Oh, come on, like did the dang boat even come yet? This is so annoying, bruh. This is annoying. As you can tell, I'm very impatient Aries moon sign. Good Lord, should I just take a seat or take a bow? Pick one. Maybe I should have went hatless today. Can y'all literally go anywhere? Y'all just walking? They see the boat? I can't see the boat. I don't want to see the boat. I'm about to do the most ignorant thing anyone's seen. I'm about to get ready to walk across this thing. Oh, we probably can't. There's a medium, right? Yeah. Won't be able to jump across that. Like dudes literally jumped off his motorcycle. He's like, this is the perfect time to tune up the old motor, the old chopper, the old Suzuki. Good Lord, why it take it forever? I gotta see this boat. Oh, there he goes. Look at this. Look at this damn boat. Dolphins all day, baby. Yeah. No, it's hiding behind the trees, of course. But this boat is small. It just has a high draw sail. Like, all that for that, I guess. Close up. See something fancy? Oh, need a pair of binoculars. I wish they hurry up though. I'm really trying to get somewhere. Home. I got so much sand. I got so much sand on me. And then bloopers of the day. Oh, I can see fish in the water from up here. And then bloopers for the day is, how about my freaking briefs ripped while I was swimming. My freaking briefs ripped literally in the gooch area while I was swimming. So that was a weird 10-15 minutes. I don't know if these people were staring at me for a particular reason. Probably not, because I'm real subtle. Plus I was wearing black briefs, so it matches with my skin kind of a little bit. But yeah. So funny. Oh, there's a Walmart right here. Yeah, I'm running around in such a childlike state of mind. I jumped in the damn ocean with my headphones on. Yo, they build a pool right next to water, yo. Humans do some weird shit. How you build a pool right next to water? Right next to a beach? Here we go. Last look for the day. And then we are out. It's quite interesting while it lasted. All that for that little ass boat. Don't you can't stand that when you get stopped at a train tracks and the damn train. What's worse, when it's like hella long, like 10-minute long? Boy, they did all this stopping for this small ass train. Oh my God, this thing is still shaking. Fuck around and fall through this damn bridge. But that's it, man. See the water over there. dark. All right. Pieces.